Are you looking for the best belt sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best belt sanders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WEN 6502T disc sander with cast iron base. The WEN belt sander is a versatile power tool used to remove spiky and serrated edges on wood and lumber. Manufactured with high-quality metal, the belt sander is stable and has a long life. The belt sander has a robust cast iron base that prevents wobbling while in operation. Moreover, this stable base proves helpful while performing smoothing operations. This adaptable equipment also has a 2.5 dust port to which a dust collector can be attached for cleaning up sanded debris. The belt sander is capable of tilting into various positions depending on the work. The machine can be tilted to any angle between 0 to 9 tidec, apart from the 4/36 sanding belt. This machine has a 6/6 sanding disc too, a support table equipped with 0 to 45 dig beveling capabilities, and a removable miter gauge accompanies the sanding disc. Equipped with a 4.3 amp motor, the belt can achieve speeds of 3,600 revolutions per minute. However, its only drawback is the constant speed. Providing a variable speed motor would have made this sander one of the best on the market. Other than this, changing sandpaper grits is a breeze, thanks to the tension lever provided in the machine. This machine is a straightforward, serious power tool that can be used for both personal and professional uses. Up next in the 4th place is the Makita belt sander. Makita belt sander is a powerful tool with ease of use features for efficient stock removal from wood. One of the silent belt sanders on the market, this machine produces a maximum of 84 decibels, ideal for carpentry and shop floor activities. This machine proves to be a swift machine in its performance. With electronic speed control, the machine maintains constant speed under all load conditions. Equipped with an 11 amp motor, this powerful belt sander has a belt travel of 1.640 feet per minute with a 4 belt. This makes the Makita belt sander one of the fastest in its class. Though built with good quality material, the sander seems a bit flimsy and feels a bit cheap in touch. However, the performance is undeniably great as the machine only weighs 13 pounds. The case has a labyrinth construction that prevents debris from being sucked into the motor, preventing any damage to the sander. It also has a dust bag with 306 static swivels for convenient dust collection, available with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. The Makita belt sander comes with a 1-year warranty. The 3rd product on our list is the SKIL belt sander with pressure control. SKIL Saw is a famous brand known for some of the innovative and cleverly designed power tools on the market, presenting another compact and adaptable belt sander from its arsenal. The SKIL Sandcat is an amazing tool to work with. Designed to sand practically any type of wood surface, the SKIL Saw Sandcat has a special pressure control system. This system has a pressure indicator to show the correct amount of pressure to be applied. Thanks to the auto-track belt alignment system, the 3 belt stays centered on the sander without any slippage. To complement a smooth finish, the SKIL Saw comes with a powerful 6 amp motor, and the entire unit weighs only 6.75 pounds, making it one of the lightest sanders on the market. But the motor is only capable of single-speed setting and therefore has limited uses. Cleaning and organizing are easy with this machine as it comes with a microfiltration unit that captures and contains fine dust particles. It also has a 1-1/4 vacuum port for attaching a standard vacuum cleaner for easy collection of debris. Overall, the unit is easy to handle thanks to the on-off trigger with lock-on button and the single lever for belt changes. Second on our list is the Makita variable speed belt sander with cloth dust bag. The Makita 9903 belt sander is a powerful machine shop tool that combines efficiency and power. Equipped with an 8.8 amp motor, the motor can be controlled electronically to maintain constant speeds, ideal for grinding of stock from different types of wood. This belt sander is suitable for furniture makers and contractors who perform regular site works. With a 16.4 feet long power cable, this sander can be used away from a power source without any problems. The variable speed control allows you to choose speeds between 690 and 440 feet divided by minute for sanding purposes. This enables highly polished surfaces on wood without exerting much force. With a low decibel value of 84 dB, the Makita belt sander is also a quiet power tool. The ergonomic front grip gives the optimum working position and ample support while working on angular areas. Available with a full refund offer within 30 days. The user can return the product if she is not satisfied with its performance. Also, the product has a 1-year warranty that covers workmanship damages, defects, The dust bag included proves useful for collecting debris while in operation and can be attached to a vacuum cleaner for quick cleaning. Finally, the top product on our list is the Metabo HPTs B8 V2 variable speed belt sander. Metabo is here with a quality product in its range of products once again. However, this time the brand has brought a variable speed belt sander that was earlier owned by Hitachi. Keeping aside marketing gimmicks, Metabo seems to have taken over the same machine, only rebranding its image into a new avatar. The brand claims that Metabo HPT sander is the same tool that Hitachi used to manufacture. The handy sander is compact and weighs only 9.5 pounds, with a powerful 9-amp motor for this machine. The sander seems to be one of the powerful hand sanders on the market. Following the footsteps of Hitachi, the model also assures an incredible performance. However, the vibrations from the belt sander make it uncomfortable for long periods of use. However, the elastomer grip is quite firm and the finish of the work seems to be superior compared to other brands on the market, with a focus on increasing speed and efficiency. The belt sander has adjustable speeds between 820 and 475 feet, divided by min. In addition, the included dust bag also collects debris and other dust particles quite effectively. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.